Being the fact that we pour a lot of concrete, you have one shot. And if your concrete's not right there, it causes a lot more money down the road. You have to chip it all out, and so getting it right the first time is very important. For the environment that we work in the weather and the rain and the dirt, the dust, to have that ruggedness of a tool allows it to last longer and becomes more cost efficient for the company. Locking that laser while in transport allows it to not need to be calibrated as often. So you have more confidence in your tool that it'll work correctly and be accurate when you go to turn it on. Now, if we're going to be using it on a slope, it's beneficial because we can see the slope.
So you screw on the laser, press the button, it adjusts itself, and then it's ready to go. So when you set up your laser, you check it, you set up over one hub, get your elevation, then you check into several other hubs. This instrument in particular, I mean, you're not noticing very much deviation between the hubs, so it's checking in within an 1/8 inch over 30, 40, 100 feet. It's doing its job well. Top of concrete's your finished product, so if your finished product has a bad elevation, then it's not good. PLS, as a company, they have a really good reputation for having quality tools. We've had PLSs fall off the bridge, fall off columns, and they still work.